look at the curtains. I got these for Christmas. Aren't they pretty? Wait, here, I'll close them. Isn't that pretty? I like that. Here, let's keep these open. Yeah. Okay, so tomorrow my cousin's coming over to sleep over, and I'm also going horseback riding. And let's go say hi to Colin. Go, go.
Hello, I'm Mr. Monkey Man. Hey!
Yeah, and we're gonna go to the mall, get some slippers, and buy an Internet Kill TV t-shirt. So, yeah, excited. Let's go.
This is gonna be a long walk.
Colin.
Oh, yeah.
Yellow punch buggy, no punch backs right there. Okay. Yep.
Do you need a shoehorn? They have them here.
Well, nice and open. I want to see what they look like on my feet. That's a small tongue. It's gonna work at a shoe store. There's stuff in there, Colin. To be a shoe expert, you must take off all the stuff. That's a rule. Otherwise, it'll make the customer very mad. And when you put their foot in, it'll hurt them. It's like someone just stuffed it all in their nose.
That took it out. Just like splatted on.
Careful of my big foot. Oh, that's. I got one. What'd you say?
Someone left the shoes.
Okay, so I'm on Skype with my cousin. She's not here right now. That's her house, see? Yeah. She's coming back with a snake because my older cousin also got a snake, so yeah. So today I went to Hot Topic to look for the t-shirt, Internet Kill TV, and they didn't have it. They don't sell them. It's like, wow. I got really mad, so now I guess I'll have to go to the website, internetkilledtv.com, and buy a shirt off them. Want to see my cousin's snake? Well, my older cousin's snake. Look at that. That's so cool. He looks dead. He's not moving.
That's so welcoming. That's so welcoming.
Here, try to pass it up to me.
Wait, one second. I need to return it.
My brother wanted to Skype because Zoe and I were Skyping, so I said sure. He has a Skype account and stuff. He's on his computer right now. See? Conway. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, see? He's there, but he's actually